Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing number 286. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 5. That 6 means this is our 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2, 2 here, so 1, 6, and no help here, 1, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 7, and a 1 here, so 2, 7. That means that our 1 has to be here, and that 1 makes this our 6 and 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. That 7 means this is our 9, 7. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing an 8. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row now, we're only missing a 2. For this row, we're missing a 4. And now for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.